Hi everyone, welcome to my video. I am here to share with you guys an unboxing again. So let's get to it and I hope you guys enjoy it. So I'm just gonna put you down right here. Let's see, and today I ended up getting this big box. Let me just move this over just so I can share with you guys some of the goodies that I got. So I opened it up, and as you guys can see, this is Louis Vuitton. We got one box, two box, and I'll put it right here. You know, when the package came, it was like damaged already. So I'm just kind of ripping through it. There we go. And they sent me some bags. All right. So I guess let's start with one of the smaller ones. So I'll come closer. So excited to see this. So far I haven't bought any ready to wear items, except for like scarves, but no like outfits or anything I bought so far. Wow, guys, this is that good. It's so tight I can't even open it, so I'm just gonna do sideways. All right, let's see. We have my receipt. And here we are. I'm just trying to make it fast. Oh my God. Guys, look at this. It's so cute. It is so cute. It's one of the, I think it's called like the pajama top, but so cute. But the only thing that I'm looking at, it looks pretty big. Like I feel like I could wear this in a dress, like as a dress. But it is so cute. I'll try it on a little bit later for you guys to see what it looks like. So there you go. That's what the back looks like. And the front. I did get a size 40. I thought that was going to actually be my right size, but I don't know. Maybe when I put it on, it's going to look different. So I got that. And let's unbox this next one. And same thing. I just pulled it and I messed it up. All right. Okay. Let's hope this is not too big. I got the matching shorts. The shorts actually look like they would fit. Oh my God, guys, look how cute this is. And it has like a little pocket in the back. Right here with a button. Let's see. So cute. Okay, I absolutely love this. You can wear it. So cute. So it goes with the matching top. All right. So we're going to move on to this bigger box. And here we go. This like garment bag is like long. It looks like a bed sheet. Look how long this is. This is nuts. Okay. All right, but it sure is soft though. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And I ended up getting this. I got a jacket. Let's see. Wow, the detail on this is so nice. It looks huge. It looks really big, but I wanted it big. I wanted this to kind of fit me like a blanket when I'm wearing it. But guys, look at the detail on this. It's so pretty, even the buttons. Look at that. And then the back has the monogram. Like all the buttons have the monogram on it. So when I purchased this, they told me it was reversible. So we'll see. Let me undo this. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand. I hope you guys are all having a lovely day and enjoying the good weather. It's probably better to take it off the hanger. Let me just unbutton it first. I really hope this fits the way that I want it to. I wanted it to be like blanket, kind of covering me up, nice and warm. Look at that. That's the inside. I honestly don't know how this would work as a, how it would work like flipped, like inside out, like reversible, but I'll have to see. But this is it. Let me just try it on. Ooh. So I wanted it to just be like this and just be tight, not tight, but like loose on me. So cute. And then you can just pull this up just to kind of walk around with. Let me scoot back a little bit. So the pocket, I'm trying to figure out if I can get my hand in it. No. Okay, so it has some stitching here that I have to cut. So then I can be able to put my hand through it. So I was like, is that fake pockets? But you could cut it, get your hand in it. But what do you guys think? I don't know. Do you guys like it? Does it look too big? Hi guys, I'm just going to show you how the shorts and shirt looks like. So this is it together. I just have it tucked in. It looks so cute. I feel like this might be a little bit too much monogram for me to wear. So what I'll probably do is maybe wear it separate. Like do the shorts with a different top and the top with like some jeans or something else. But this is what it looks like. Just go like this. And then and the color, and actually the way this looks, it's so cute because it has like a pop of color underneath, so you don't even have to like button it all the way up. It just looks so cute with that accent color. That's it. I'll take the top off and I'll show you just the shorts with a top. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the shorts and the top that I wore previous. Show you what this looks like. So just a normal black top with the shorts. I actually just so love this just by itself like this. I think it's like so cute. It's not too much monogram and it's actually so comfortable. Okay, this is what the jacket looks like. And this is what it would look like with a belt. I actually really like it with a belt. This is really not the belt that I would probably use with it, but I do have to find something that I can wear with it. So this is what it looks like, belted.